Hey y'all, okay, so I'm about to make some spaghetti. I'm kind of out of this minced garlic, and Bae got chopped garlic by accident, so I might end up using that. I got my classico, I got my diced tomatoes, I got ground turkey, and Italian sausage, which I already have here. I took my Italian sausage out of the casing, and we got half a thing of ground turkey. I'm gonna put the rest of that back in the freezer. So that's why Babe did it like that. But anyway, so I got my skillet getting hot. Wait, can you move your cup?
Yeah.
And it's on high. Ignore that clock because it's wrong. But I got my skillet getting hot. So once it's hot, I'll put my onions and peppers in there and
the garlic.
My seasonings. Gotta have seasonings. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So listen, I'm supposed to be editing a video, but I stopped real quick to make dinner. So I'm filming instead of editing. But look at this countertop. I thought you said you wiped it off. Okay, let me wipe it off real quick. I'll be back, y'all. I know I can still wipe it off even though it's hot. We don't want to look like we dirty.
Well, we aren't. We clean it off every day.
I know I clean it off every day.
And that's, you should see our freezers. We don't have room for nothing. I couldn't put a
Babe, don't you do me. Okay, bye, y'all. Really?
What?
You always telling my business.
Improvise, man. Gotta improvise.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know.
Hey, girl. Good morning. So listen, today is a work day. I'm gonna bring you along with me for today. Hopefully I can get my goal. So let's talk about goals. First of all, hey girl, welcome. Listen, if you are new, welcome to the Queendom. My name is JoyAmor. If you are not new, I'm so happy to see you back, girl. Welcome back. Let me get some ice cream. Hold on a minute. So listen, I love to encourage, inspire, up. Girl, it's the lint in the house of me. All that good stuff, right? I love to make you guys know. Wait, I love to let you guys know, not make you know. But I love to let you guys know that you can have the life that you want, right? But you know, I have to keep it real with y'all. So I got some stuff I got to talk to y'all about real quick. There's going to be a car check coming soon, I promise. Hopefully, I'll get it done today. Right now, I've already had breakfast. Girl, I wanted to film this morning, but you know what? It just didn't happen. I made for the first time, well, for the second time, but the first time I actually liked them. I made some chaffles. So for breakfast, I had like a chaffle with like egg and mozzarella cheese, and I put turkey sausage and egg and cheese. It was really, really good. The one thing I will say is that make your egg and sausage and cheese first. Make your chaffles last, so that way they're nice and hot and crispy. Okay, anyway. Hey, girl. So today is a work day. I'm bringing you guys along with me today to try to get some things done. I have to get our white. So let me just tell you what we got to do. Y'all know, did I tell y'all? Something happened to my debit card. Come to find out, they stole it at Bahama Breeze, right? Which is kind of what I thought. But somebody took my debit card at Bahama Breeze. They was going to try to get me. But they didn't, because the bank let me know what was up. And so now it's been about 4 or 5 days. And I just haven't been using my bank account. I've been using credit cards, which is not good because I don't have to use credit cards. I'm just being lazy because I don't feel like going to the bank and getting a new card. Because at my bank, all you have to do is walk in there and get the damn card. They literally make it for you on the spot. So that's one thing that we have to get done today is go get a new debit card. Second thing, I have to film a Rebdolls haul. Okay, that's why I got my makeup on. I'm in there watching Aladdin, doing my makeup, the new one with Will Smith in it. So shout out to Disney Plus. Disney Plus, y'all need to sponsor me. Don't be on that bullshit. Well, they probably not, because I just cussed. But listen, do you guys have Disney Plus? Do you have Hulu? What type of apps do y'all have? Do y'all have Netflix? Like, what is y'all watching? Okay, adults, let me know down below in the comments. Do you have Disney Plus, Discovery Plus? What y'all watching? Okay, anyway. So, we got to go to the bank. I also got a check that my in-laws sent me for Christmas. So, I need to go cash that and put that in the bank, because what I'm going to use that for is something I want to tell you guys about. So, Patreon and I, if you haven't already joined the Patreon, patreon.com/JoyAmor. So what we're going to do is Patreon and I decided that we're going to adopt a charity. And instead of you guys sending me money or sending me gifts, we're going to buy things off the charity's wish list. Now, I did some research and I just Googled a local charity. Bae and I went out there to make sure it wasn't no bullshit, to make sure it was legit. I had my assistants and my secretary call down there and talk to them and ask them, okay, what exactly do you need? Whatever. So they made a wish list for Amazon. I'm going to be honest. Some of this on this wish list, I don't understand. Like, they got men's watches on there and they got like 20 watches. I'm like, why y'all need 20 watches? But hey, listen, that's what they say they need. It's for the kids for Christmas. They got tablets and all kind of stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the information for the charity. If you want to investigate it, if you want to call up there, we in full transparency, because I don't want no bullshit, okay? I just thought that this would be a nice thing for people to do for the holidays, to give back. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to put the Amazon. I don't want y'all sending me. Don't send me no money. I don't want no money, because I don't have no 501c3 yet. So what y'all can do is I'm going to put all of the information down below in the description box. It will be an Amazon wish list that goes to the charity. I will put the name and the number and all of the information for the charity in the description box. Y'all can call up there and ask them what they need. If y'all got clothes or shoes or gifts, send it to them. Because y'all know I have a special heart for women and children. Now, y'all don't be on that bullshit. I have a heart for men and everybody else, but that's not my ministry. Let me do what I can. For me, it's women and children. I don't want to fucking hear it. Every time I say something, I get emails about it. I'm doing this for women and children. It is what it is, okay? Okay, with that being said, I want to tell y'all about the charity. Y'all, don't forget to join Patreon. We're going to be doing some things together really, really soon. And I'm super excited about us getting together. Just keep your eyes out. Put your money aside. Y'all need to put about $500 aside. Because we might be doing something together pretty soon. And I'm going to make it limited. It won't be very many tickets. So, y'all put your money aside. Get your coins. Collect your coins. Get your money put aside because we're going to do something together.
Housekeeping.
There's that.
All the rooms have balconies. It's kind of like if you look from outside, it's like every other. But I tried to make sure that you had mostly balconies.
Honestly, I can tell that you're frustrated. Been a minute since you dated. Oh, you don't know who to get that pussy to. If he fucking with you or just fucking you. Trust me, I'm focused. You need to come, girl, I've noticed. You got a mouth with your mean ass.
Okay, so going to the bank, doing my Rebdolls haul. I have some hair videos that need to be edited. Did I tell y'all last night? I think I showed y'all. I finally got that white tree. Oh, this candle smell good. Girl, this is peppermint marshmallow. Okay. My Bath and Body Works. That smells good. Okay, what else? I'm trying to make sure I tell y'all all the stuff I want to tell y'all. So I'm finna get in here and finish my makeup. I wanted to just come on and just, you know what I'm saying, just holler at y'all. Oh, girl, I gotta get a new stove. That's another thing. I want to bake some cookies and stuff like that, but Mama gotta get a new stove. My stove done went bad. My broiler on the inside the element is gone. 2 of my top elements gone. So they're gonna bring me out a new stove. Y'all pray they bring me a nice stove. Because if they don't bring me a nice stove, I'm gonna be upset. So I'm getting a new stove. I'm also getting a new toilet. What else? Okay, girl, I've been talking for 15 minutes, so I gotta go. But listen, I want to tell y'all something real quick. A lot of you guys know my story, and you know what I've been through, and you know where I've come from. I am the underdog, okay? I was the one that people didn't think was gonna be shit. They still don't. I was the one who, I'm fat, I'm black, I ain't shit. I've had even my own family members lie on me. I mean, all kinds of stuff. I mean, there was a rumor trying to say that I was sucking dick. And I literally was, what, like 15 at the time? Girl, my mama had put the fear of God into me. I didn't even lose my virginity until I was like 23. I had not even seen a dick other than in an anatomy book. Girl, just, you know, it's because let me just tell you this real quick and I'm finna go. Even though you don't see the good in yourself and you don't see the capabilities you have, you don't see the promise, you don't see the promise and purpose that's in you, other people who hate you, they see it. And so what they try to do is, because they don't see it in themselves, but they can see it in you, they try to tear you down. So you may think to yourself, what the hell would somebody be jealous of? Your intelligence, your beauty, your resilience. That's why. Your future. It may not have happened yet. So they trying to cut you off before you even get there. Don't let them do that. They can't take it from you, so they try to make you give it up. Don't let people do that to you, girl. Okay? So listen, I'm gone. Y'all get down there in the description box if y'all want to do something nice for me. Call up, and even if you don't choose the charity that I've chosen, the United Way is a charity that I benefited from when my house burned down and I lost everything. My knees hurt, y'all. I'm in pain. That's why I'm leaning over like that. When my house burned down and I lost everything, the United Way is what helped me get back on my feet. You know what I'm saying? So if you wanted a good charity to give to for Christmas, give to the United Way. And maybe I'll do some type of giveaway thing based on when you give to charity or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure it out in the Patreon. If you're not in the Patreon yet, girl, get your ass over there. I'm trying to tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna eat the rest of my keto ice cream, girl. You know what? You would think after all the shit I went through with this damn keto ice cream, I'd never pick it up again. But I like it. But okay, girl, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey girl, good morning. I wish there was somewhere to go to get facials. I need a facial. I need to go find me somewhere to go get a facial from. That guy dropped his phone. I hope it didn't break.
Where the guy in Mercedes?
No, the one that was up there just a minute ago.
But they ran out of gas because now they're back to the car.
Oh, you think so? But we got to go. Oh, look at the Tesla. What do you think is going on?
I think they must have run out of gas because now they came back to get the car. And I saw them get out of this car and they're back to that car. There was no one in that car when we pulled up.
Oh, they ran out of gas. So they had to go over there to get gas. And
They must have had, I don't know.
I wish I could give them a ride.
Well, they're going to ride now.
Okay, girl. We on our way to breakfast. I brought my syrup just in case they don't have sugar-free. Yeah, I am so sleepy. Like, I feel so tired. Woo, goodness. But anyway, today's going to be a great day. I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that you know that there is somebody. Ooh. Did you break your phone?
Oh.
I was like, I hope he didn't break his phone. But anyway.
Cracker Barrel, here we come.
But anyway, yeah, we on our way to Cracker Barrel. Girl, I was gonna tell you some type of encouraging moment, girl. But I was just at a gas station and this little cute guy, he was so cute. A little young fella was out there counting his change and he dropped his phone. And I said, oh, I hope he didn't.
Pink shoes.
He wearing his girlfriend shoes. Trust and believe them, his girlfriend shoes. He had on some little pink shoes with bows on them. It was so funny. And I could tell it was like, he probably was spending out of his girlfriend's house and grabbed her shoes on the way out the door to go walk to the store. But anyway, I was going to tell y'all some kind of encouraging word, girl, and I completely forgot it. Squirrel. But anyway, I love you. And I will see you in a minute. We're on our way to breakfast. Breakfast.
On our way.
And we're on our way to see my very special guest. And I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to see her. Okay, bye, y'all. My question is, when did Cracker Barrel get mimosas? I just want to know. When the hell did they get mimosas? We don't come to Cracker Barrel for mimosas. We come to Cracker Barrel for hash brown casserole, which y'all don't got none of. Okay.